Hello everybody, hope you are doing fine. Today we are going to see the third principle of our book, which is called analogy. And what is analogy? Okay, let's discuss this in detail. This is basically comparison between two or more things for the clarification. So sometimes what happens, we want to explain something but we can't explain because we haven't seen any other thing like that. So sometimes it's analogy is like we can show them the relatable concept. So let's see the first one over here. If you see this is a feather, okay, feather of a bird. Now this also covers the biomimicry, the whole chapter or whole subject if you want to study, where basically all the designers can take inspiration from the feather or in general any biological creation, and you can reapply the principle in the real world, and you can engineer the devices or you can engineer the outcome out of it. So if you see this feather, it start as a round feather, but if you see in the midway, it changes the shape as a square, and if you go further down, it also compresses a bit. It's smaller but it's more stronger. So if you want a stronger piece of material, how can you achieve it? So sometimes you have to structurally change how it has been made. So this is one of the best use case you can see. You can see and you can search about biomimicry for this to learn more about it. We also see this is important. So this particular biological flower is the cause was the reference for the invention of the velcro. So whatever we can see, George de Mestral, a Swiss electrical engineer, was inspired after a hunting trip in 1941 when he saw this plant, okay, and it was like getting stuck to his clothes, and then he realized, okay, I can make something out of it, and he invented the velcro. So it has like hook kind of a structure at the end of those thorn like things, and that was really useful, just to make sure that okay, all the uh, similar device can be created by man-made processes, and you can use it in somewhere like somewhere where you need you want to stick two surfaces without any high-tech engineering involved there, and it's easy to manufacture, easy to deploy, and it's very simple mechanism that he developed. So you can see the analogy has also different ways you can use this concept. Like if you want to connect a small part to the whole part, like example, Miami is to Florida as New York is to the US, and also you can see the cause to effect, like snow is to ice as fire is to smoke. So these are the example. You can see this, some are really good, and you can use it when you are explaining your designs to someone, that okay, in UX, in product design, whenever you are creating any new product or any new invention, it's easy for you to explain by giving an analogy to something which is existing in nature or as in real world. So yeah, that's it, and we will be seeing the uh, next principle, anthropomorphism, in the next video. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.